Hello everyone, welcome to the new term and I believe you all are excited to learn NLP. NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. Let me walk you through this module introduction. This module is 80 hours, theory 30 hours, practical 50 hours and 3 credit units. Assessment, we have 3 components: in-mode practical assignment, end-mode practical exam and BAA. In-mode is 40%, which is the individual work. Perform NLP data collection, AI training and inference. End-mode, the final exam, is 50%. Perform NLP task. This covers all the competency. And BAA is 10%. Okay, let's start with the basics of NLP. So NLP is nothing but it's a part of artificial intelligence that actually deals with understanding and processing of human language. Maybe in real time, the majority of data exists in unstructured form, such as text, videos and images. See, we post a lot of things online, we tweet, we send messages, we talk to each other, we communicate. All these are unstructured data. So the mass of data is unstructured category. And to process this textual data with machine learning algorithm, NLP comes into play. So basically, NLP is a technology that is used by machines to understand, analyze, manipulate and interpret the human languages. So is NLP very new concept? No. NLP is started in the year 1940s, but not very deep. So you can see slowly how it developed. So initially it started in 1940s, then slowly developed. They have grammar theories in 1960s and conceptual analogies and symbolic models, statistical models and everything. So now NLP is much more advanced. We have various applications like speech recognition, machine translation, machine text reading, etc. So what are the advantages of NLP? So you know very well Siri, Alexa, hey Google. We just come home and say, hey Google, switch on the light, switch on the aircon. So it's very, very nice. So machine learning is to that extent, it helps human in our daily lives. So the advantages of NLP, it's very efficient, time efficient. So we save time and offers exact answers to the questions and helps computers to communicate with humans in their language. So we can just talk in our own language so computers can understand. Ask questions about any subjects and get direct response within seconds. So last time, if you need to find a synonym or meaning of any of the word, you use a physical like dictionary, like flip through the pages one by one, then go to that particular page to find the meaning for the word. But now it's very easy. Just ask, hey Siri, what's the meaning for this word? So within a fraction of seconds, you'll get the answer. So these are the advantages of NLP. Then most of the companies use NLP to improve the efficiency of documentation, processes, accuracy of documentation, and identify the information from large database. Just imagine if the data, as the data is growing, like gigabyte, petabyte, zotabyte, it's going and growing and growing. So in this case, it's very difficult for human to go and manually dig the data and interpret, find the information. So in this case, NLP is very useful as well. So this is one activity which you can try later, disadvantages of NLP. Though we have advantages, there should be some disadvantages of NLP as well. Components of NLP. Basically, this is classified into two, NLU and NLG. Just try to understand the meaning of that. NLU stands for Natural Language Understanding. NLG stands for Natural Language Generation. So NLU is a process of helping the machines in reading and interpreting the language. So it can be in Chinese or Malay, Indian language or anything. So it's a process of helping the machine in reading and interpreting the language. NLG is a process that acts as a translator of writing and generating the language. So this is a basic difference between these two. So the applications of NLP, you can see there are quite a lot of applications like question answering, spam detection, sentiment analysis, machine translator, spelling correction, chatbot, speech recognition and all these. Maybe I give you one example for sentiment analysis. To predict whether it's a positive review or negative review. For example, we go holiday, we go and stay in the hotel, we go overseas. Then we write a review about that hotel or place of stay. Okay, this place is very nice, and I give a 5-star rating, a 4-star rating. So we write, some people write positive comments, some people write negative comments. At the end of the day, the machine learning algorithm, the NLP, can, like work on that to find out it's a positive or negative sentiment. Overall review. So this is one example. There's another activity, how much data is generated in every second. There's quite a lot of data. Every minute, every second, a lot of people sharing information. They are liking something in Instagram, Facebook, like posting videos, the IoT devices are capturing information, generating data. So how much data is generated? Please explore on this area. And data never sleeps. So this picture is a very good example. How much data is generated? Okay, why we need NLP? Because NLP can handle large volume of text data, and NLP provides a structured to highly unstructured data, text data. We have unstructured data, but we process using NLP and find a meaning and give sense of the data, take sense of the data. So this is just to check your understanding. Question 1. Which of the following is not an application of NLP? Chatbot, recommender system, sentiment analysis, speech recognition, and machine translation. Chatbot is an example. Recommender system, maybe you go Redmart, or like some of the online sites like Lazada, you order things, and next time when you go, the system will recommend for you. Last time you bought some electronic item, so again some recommendation based on that. That is recommender system. And sentiment analysis, positive, negative sentiment. Speech recognition. Hey Google, switch on the light. This is speech recognition. Machine translation, translate from one language to another language. So that is machine translation. So which of the following is not an application of natural language processing? So I believe by now you all should know the answer. So the answer is B. It's recommender system, because that is not a natural language processing application. Before jumping into NLP, you need to understand some of the key terms in NLP, which will be familiar by the end of this lesson. So tokenization, POS, we always call it as part of speech tagging. Dependency parsing, chunking, lemmatization, stemming, named entity recognition, entity linking, sentence segmentation, stop word removal. So all these are the key terms. You need to understand the meaning for each and everything. Then it's going to be very easy. Let me start with the first one, tokenization. So very simple. The first step in NLP pre-processing is gather the data. You'll be getting sentences, paragraph. Paragraph is combination of sentence, right? So sentence is combination of words. So gather the data, break it into understandable parts, words. This is a sample. After you tokenize, this is a separate word, is a separate word, is a separate word, sample is separate. So this is an example for tokenization.